Woodpecker's new woodworking rules have been designed specifically for woodworkers who require a rule that is straighter, heavier, sits flatter, is easier to handle, and has both a standard and center scale to make your furniture, box, or cabinet projects easier to do with greater accuracy. Our woodworking rules are machined from aircraft-grade aluminum and anodized for surface protection and appearance. Both sides of the rule have 30-degree bevels which are engraved with inch markings. The bevels reduce parallax for faster and more accurate measuring and marking, and all our rules have center finger grooves to help position the rule. Woodpecker's new woodworking rules come in 4 sizes: 6-inch, 12-inch, 24-inch, and 36-inch. They're great for drawing perfectly straight pencil lines or scoring veneer, and with the center scale you can quickly lay out from the center of the rule. And with our 0 to 24-inch or 0 to 36-inch rulers, you can measure on both sides of the board from the same starting point, without having to turn the rule. All our woodworking rules can be used with Woodpecker's RS2 rule stop, and most with our new hook stop. The rule stop can be placed anywhere along the rule, so you can repeatedly hook the rule to the board's edge and make as many marks as you need, and all will be exactly the same distance from the edge. Except for our 6-inch woodworking rule, all our other rulers have 2 threaded holes on each end. They mate perfectly with the hook stop to ensure an exact 90-degree reference to the edge of your board, allowing for quick, accurate measuring and marking of your woodworking projects.
The Craig Bench Clamp Base makes it possible to use the power and convenience of Craig bench clamps on any work surface, so you can create a versatile clamping station almost anywhere. The Bench Clamp Base is a perfect companion to the Craig Mobile Project Center, and it allows you to get more from any work surface that's equipped with 3/4 inch or 20 millimeter bench dog holes. Or you can simply drill a hole on any work surface and easily attach the Bench Clamp Base. Tool-free installation allows you to set up the Bench Clamp Base in seconds. Just slip the anchor bolt through the hole and tighten the locking knob. Slide a Craig bench clamp into the base and you're all set. And you can move or store away the bench clamp base just as quickly, so it's there when you need it and out of the way when you don't. When installed on your work surface, the bench clamp base can be rotated to any position, so you get 360-degree clamping range. Plus, you get clamping power thanks to the thick aluminum base that can easily withstand the full clamping pressure of the Craig bench clamp. The bench clamp base works with any Craig bench clamp, from the earliest versions to the latest bench clamps that are equipped with Craig's AutoMax auto-adjusting technology. With AutoMax, clamping is fast and foolproof. Just dial in the clamping pressure you need and then squeeze the padded handles. AutoMax technology does the rest, applying the perfect clamping pressure every time on materials up to 3 1/2 inch thick. With the Craig bench clamp base, you can add clamping capability to your work surface when you need it. And you can easily move the base from one work surface to another, which means you can use the holding power of a Craig bench clamp where you need it to for all of your do-it-yourself and woodworking tasks.
Hi, welcome to the Pony Jorgensen Workshop. Today, we're going to show you the features and applications of the Jorgensen Adjustable Hand Screw Clamp. The Jorgensen Adjustable Hand Screw is designed to ensure maximum strength and durability. The clamp jaws are made with North American maple wood, and the spindles are steel. The tool can be tightened or loosened easily by hand. The large jaws provide greater reach than other clamps and distribute pressure evenly over a large surface without marring your workpiece. The hand screw can easily be opened by spinning the handles similar to bike pedals. This keeps the jaws parallel as they open. When closing, we recommend starting with the front screw and then tightening the back screw to ensure the pressure is evenly distributed. The angle between the jaws can be adjusted to fit your workpiece, allowing them to hold odd-shaped items with ease. Jorgensen makes hand screws in 6, 8, 10, and 12-inch sizes. This clamp is great for wood projects, furniture repair, and working on delicate or irregular-shaped projects.
The lock miter bit creates an accurate 45-degree miter with a built-in tongue and groove to keep the joint aligned. It is ideal for creating columns, drop edges, scribes, anything that needs 90-degree corners. Proper setup is the key to success with this bit. Rockler sells a useful setup block. The block is pre-cut with the proper profile for 3/4 and 5/8 inch thick stock. If you do not have a setup block, Use a straight edge to ensure that the bit is exposed just at the outer edge of the stock on both the table and the fence. Make the test cuts. The bit should create a sharp point, but remove no material from the faces. Test fit the two parts. Once the sharp edge is properly cutting, adjust the fence and height to shift the tongues until the joints line up. The main stock can now be milled. Each joint requires a horizontal and a vertical cut. Properly milled joints are very tight, and clamping is easy since the tongues keep the joints from sliding. This bit will earn its place in your router bit collection.